Today, we are going to talk a little bit about good design, some graphic tricks. I'm going to teach you how to add videos inside your PowerPoint, because not everybody knows how to do that. If you do want to incorporate a screencast video, you can incorporate those inside of PowerPoint. So if you wanted to teach a little something and have it show your mouse moving around and typing in video, you can do that. I'm going to talk to you about how to snag some screens, then converting to a video from within PowerPoint, uploading to either YouTube or to another free site, put it on your website. All this is, all you need is PowerPoint, no other tools, okay? All right, and then we're going to do the little miniature workshop. So I guess back there somebody is going to tell me when it's time, when there's about 45 minutes left to go.